Hello everyone, I'm Mia. Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you invest in cryptocurrency in 2023 and we'll do together 3 simple steps. Make a trade, make a deposit, and of course, registration on Bybit platform. I trade on Bybit platform and I have an amazing gift for you. First 50 viewers will receive $20 to your first deposit. You have just to go under this video, register through my personal link and receive your gift. I think it's an amazing gift. Moreover, I prepare step-by-step instructions with registration on Bybit platform to make this process as comfortable as possible. Moreover, today I will show you my successful deals. Follow it and let's make money together. Put the like, subscribe to my channel and let's start.
And this is for those of you who also want to use Bybit for trading like me. Please take a look at the description under every video. There I leave link for you. See it? Then you have to click on it. We go through registration process together. Everyone starts with these simple steps that I'm showing here. If you wonder how to start trading, you need to know how to make it right, so we sign up on bybit.com. There we see our create account form and we provide our email and we also make up and save password. Hit create account. Now we go through verification. Yes. That contains 2 parts. The second requires the code from your email. After you enter it, please don't rush to follow crypto purchase as suggested here. I recommend going to account and security first in order to accomplish a very important step. That is your identity verification and KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. By the way, once people get to level 1, they acquire a set of verified user benefits. More security, more transactions, and withdrawal freedom that keeps me out of extra fees in extra 4D and a selfie. I just need ID and selfie. I want to be prepared here, especially since it takes under 10 minutes. So let us take a look at buy crypto with one click, buy P2P, fiat and crypto deposits. If you start, you actually probably go with fiat deposit, which is currency, and put, for example, amount before giving further payment details. I recommend one more option. Take a look at P2P and you will see a whole list of sellers with some very attractive offers for you. As soon as your deposit gets to you, you are ready to go. And please don't worry if you have to wait some minutes here, it's safe and secure. Market tabs keeps us updated, trade tab gives options on trading, and I usually choose derivatives, my favorite USDT. So let me show you how I get trading with my favorite Ethereum US dollar pair. Take a look. So here we have the overall view, and that traditionally goes with candle chart. By the way, we have a nice set of indicators for our service here. That's really helpful. Don't go straight in volume and we see all the book on the right. On the right side, that's palpitating with market moves and left. All right. And on the right side, there are form for your orders, limit market or conditional. That depends on asset as full scope of conditions. Let's pay attention to this top part that helps you choose your margin mode. I choose 25 even though it's not recommended. Take your time, please. Make some calculations. Pay attention to that. That's really important. You can always check it on the top. Then we go below. And there we can find current contract details on the right side with activity, log to go with positions, close PL, active conditional field section that finishes with other history. Now you know what to start with. Please join me in my sessions, watch and learn, and have a very lucky trading day.
Let's take a look at Ethereum US dollar pair with Bybit platform, and we go with our deposit of $40 US. I suggest that we practice price bouncing with this chart. Let us put the line of support to resistance. I choose horizontal line. That is the line that price is so-called dances around, so you can see it has been touching the line, and that's called retesting. And we don't have quite high trading volumes here, so we can make a deal, and we do it in the market tab because we go with the current price of the market and we expect the price to go down. So we open short. That is the first step that we do when we set a deal. The second and also very important step is your line of stop loss. This line will close our deal if the price doesn't go the way that we expected. So take a look here. We place it around this higher high, the previous higher high. We think that if the price crosses this level, we will not have the move that we expect. The next and the last step here is to put our take profit. Let us take a look at how far the price might balance. I guess we can go. We put it lower and we put it down, and let's make it, for example, green. Also align it with lower low. So that means that we buy what we've sold for another lower price. Now limit close and closing price will be 1205.5. Confirm. Wonderful, we confirm, and now we have our limit, we have our stop loss, we have our position and our take profit green line, and let's wait and see what happens now. Well, what we see here is that we were absolutely right. Our forecast, the price moved down just the way as we expected, but unfortunately it hasn't reached our limit line yet, which means we can move the limit line, we can hit the cross, and let us set a new number. that actually goes with another new line. I choose horizontal line as a trade, and let me put it here for you. And limit cross, we will choose, for example, 65. Wonderful. And now our order has been submitted, which means that now we earned $8 and can go on. Alright guys, so I suggest that we continue our practice. Let us make it again with Ethereum US dollar. And here I suggest that you take a look at this blue line. It has also been retested, and several times you can see the price reaching and touching it. You can see the price is still here, which makes it a nice support resistance, a level that we can expect the price to bounce from, and we can go with $48 US to open short. And the next thing that we will do together, we will set the second line. The second line should be at the opposite side. It should not be in the very part where you put your take profit, where you expect the price to go. So let's align it with the previous candle top. As always, I choose horizontal lines, and it means that if the price goes this way, it shall continue growing into a trend. We don't want it to do that now, and now I'm choosing the position for my take profit. Let's look at the numbers where we set our limits. And 1,213.25, excellent. So we've got our stop loss, we've got our take profit, our position and order ready. Let's give it some time. Well, again, we see the price is moving our way. We see that we were absolutely right, and it's going, I hope it's going to reach our limit soon. We only need 5 cents. Amazing. So our order is filled. We've got $56. Let's go and find some new idea. I think I found one more interesting thing for us to try today, that goes again with Ethereum US dollar, my lovely. And the line that is interesting for us goes here. You can see it, and we can say that it has started some time ago here. It has been retested and even broken. We can see it with a big higher volume, but still we are not in a trend. We are back with this support resistance now. So here I show you how we work with limit. We choose the price 100% and open our trade. Then our second step, as always, remains the same. I suggest putting our stop loss aligned with this higher point. Let us put this line here. So if price goes up, we expect it to go back where we wanted before it reached that orange line. Wonderful, the market has reached the limit, the price that we wish to start our trade with, so our order is filled, which means we can move on to our step 3. That is our take profit on the bottom. Yes, and I think that price probably is going to reach, so closing price 1210.25. Okay, 3.93, the same, and confirm. Not bad. Amazing. So here is our take profit, here is our orange stop loss, and what we will do now is give it some time and let's wait and see. Well, those things also happen. They happen much more frequently that you might think. Here we have almost nothing, so we've got quite slow, and I suggest that we modify 1212.70, no, 0.55, I think, yes, confirm. Great, and in order to finish, and now it helps us, our weather is filled, so we get our frosted, and you can see we've got $67, and let us go search some idea. Well, guys, I think that we can take one more case, and I want to show you my deal with trend. As you can see, the price hasn't been moving up or up and down. It went to it down, going trend when we have lower and lower and lower price. Numbers, price, figures and points over some period of time, but still I think we can see a support resistance level here. You can see that there is a line that we can imagine that has been reached by the price several times, so I suggest that we put order price in a limit tab here, like that, and let's go 100% and open our long. Wonderful, very nice. We opened long together. So as soon as the price reaches the number, the figure that we want, our order, our deal will start, and these two lower bottom points of candlestick. So I choose horizontal line as always, and the second line, if you remember it correctly, that's a stop loss line. I usually make it orange. You can choose any color you want. We don't want the price to go this way. Well, I hope it won't. And it means that it's time now to set our take profit line of setting your limit. Let us make it at a point that is most probable for reaching. Okay, we should be almost sure that the price goes this way, and it's really very important to check that the price has already been there. So that should be some retested point. Let's make it blue. And that's what our order looks like. We've got our position, we have got our stop loss, and we've got our limit for take profit. Now we'll give it some time. I think we are all set. Let's give it some time. Guys, as you can see, the price is moving our way, it's going up, but it hasn't risen enough to reach the level, the take profit line that we've did there. So I suggest that we simply take it into consideration and change it. Let us do it. 1210, confirm. Wonderful. And now we're not all of it just a second. We have to wait a little bit, maybe a couple of seconds. Please. Yes. It's done, and now, as you can see, we have $80, which means that today we did together from $40 to $80 together. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope everything is clear. See you soon later. Bye bye.